my channel. My name is Crystal. If you're new here, welcome. If you hear that noise, it's my dogs walking on the floor. But today's video is going to be all about super easy and inexpensive party decor ideas. My recent posts were all my home decor, and you know I said in there I don't like cheesy 4th of July decor. Well, 4th of July party, bring on the cheesy, because I think it's absolutely adorable. And I'm going to show you in this video how to make these 3 different things. So just keep watching if you're interested. Okay, for the first project are these little cans. My sister painted them, and we are going to use them for forks and silverware. But you also could use them for flowers, which I think would be really cute if you had like 3 of them, 3 sets of them on a table. I think that would be so cute. And they're so easy. Just paint the cans. They're just corn cans. And then we just head them with a ribbon. The next project we're gonna do, they're just these little centerpieces. We got the glass jar from Hobby Lobby for $1.50. Actually, everything came from Hobby Lobby. The little ball filler, but I have seen that at the dollar store too recently, so you could get it there. And then the little picks are also from Hobby Lobby. And I just filled up the bottles with the balls. Some of them were a little bit bigger, so you can see me kind of pushing them down in there. But that's all. Put them in there. And then when you're all done, I kind of shook it up because they're small balls and bigger balls. So I kind of didn't want all of the small ones to be next to each other. And then my daughter called, so I had to answer the phone. But just keep filling up the jars till they're up to where the neck starts. And then we'll put in the picks. I wanted the firecracker and the tinsel picks to look like one. So I just intertwined the tinsel parts with the rocket part and then just spreaded it out to make it look a little bit fuller. Like not fuller, but so it wasn't all going straight up. And then the last one are these firecracker pieces. You could use these as centerpieces. How we're going to use them as a ring toss for the little kids at the party. They're so easy. You'll see me here making, this is nothing professional. I just used some painter tape that I had laying around, rolled the paper around the noodle and hot glued it. And you're gonna see here that I burnt me so bad with the hot glue gun, but I'm not an expert. Once I have hot glued it, I am going to just use my watermelon knife and cut the pool noodle and just continue to do that for all of them. I have done one, you can see laying on the table, but I needed to do the blue and white one and then the white one. So for our party, I'm also going to be making a balloon garland, but I can't blow up my balloons until the day before, so I am going to film that, but it'll go up after 4th of July, so maybe you could use the idea for another party or a birthday party or something like that. I just want to add, this is not my idea. I saw this on Instagram, but I cannot for the life of me remember who shared it, so this is not my idea. But I want to give credit where credit's due, and so if you know who it was, let me know. But I just thought they were so cute, and they are going to work perfect for our ring toss. Okay, so I'm just doing the white one here, and then if you're wondering where the little pom-poms are from, we got those at Michael's, and then they came on one pick, and we just cut the pom-poms off and just stuck them on the top there. They turned out so cute. Okay, I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed all of those. Tell me what your favorite one in the comments is below. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. That really helps my channel out. And until next time, have a good 4th. See you later.